Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable sound in MetaTrader 5. If the alerts sound, trade notifications, or chart sounds in MetaTrader 5 are distracting to you, then you can easily turn it off. Launch open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into one of your accounts. From the Codes tab, tap the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu that pops up on the screen, go to the bottom and tap on Settings. Now, you will see a Sounds button. If it is turned on, tap on it in the switch to turn off the sound effect. If you don't want to turn off the sounds, you can also turn off the push notifications for MetaTrader 5 if you don't want any kind of an alerts. Now the sounds for trades, codes, and alerts are disabled for MetaTrader 5. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.